Pig farming is a significant activity and a source of livelihood to many households, particularly in the rural areas. Demand-supply gap with faster economic return due to better FCR, early maturity, shorter gestation periods, larger litter size, and food waste utilization makes pig farming a lucrative business. However, if not taken care properly, it might cause losses. Namaskar, I'm Thamiri Marak, welcoming you all to today's podcast to enhance your farming knowledge. In this episode, we will talk about the major external parasites of pigs. To discuss on this topic, we have with us Dr. Meena Das, Senior Scientist, Veterinary Parasitology, ICAR Research Complex for NEH region, Umiam, Meghalaya. Madam, welcome to today's episode.
Thank you.
At the very onset, madam, could you tell us about the major external parasites of pigs?
Thank you for having me in this episode. Well, there are three major external parasites of pig: sarcoptic mange, hog lice, and flies.
So, madam, could you briefly tell us more about these parasites one by one?
Let's begin with sarcoptic mange. It is caused by Sarcoptes cavy swiss, and this might burrow into the skin and lay eggs in the tunnel. They suck nymphs and feed on epidermal cells. Their activities under the skin causes severe irritation and itching, as well as irritation under the skin.
So, madam, does this parasite spread from one pig to another? And what are the symptoms of sarcoptic mange?
Absolutely true. The infection is spread directly from one pig to another. The skin lesion usually start on the head, especially near ears. Then it is spread over the body, tail, and legs. And the symptoms is usually seen the pigs rubbing their skin against the wall of the pig shed, as well as other surfaces of the pig sty.
So, madam, could you tell us more about the other parasites of pigs?
Next common external parasite of pig is hog lice, that is Matopinus suis. It is the large blood-sucking lice of pig and potentially act as a vector of swinepox virus. These lice usually feed on blood meals with an average blood bill intake is about 8 to 12 minutes, and they are found in small clumps around the ears, then in neck fold, as well as in tails and inner legs.
So, madam, you have told us about the hog lice. So, could you elaborate more? How do they multiply, and what are the clinical symptoms of it?
The female lice, they lay 3 to 6 eggs a day for 25 days. Then the egg of this lice, they hatch within 12 to 14 days. Then the nymph which emerge out from the egg will usually feed for 2 to 3 weeks. Then they molt 3 times to become the adult. And the main clinical signs and symptom is this hair loss as well as itching.
So, madam, beside this sarcoptic mange and the hog lice, what are the other parasites in pigs?
Yes, there are biting and non-biting flies. Biting flies such as stable fly, horse fly, then mosquitoes and midges. Non-biting flies such as this house fly and blow flies are commonly seen in pig farm.
So, madam, could you highlight our viewers how can we do the diagnosis of these parasites in pigs?
Diagnosis of sarcoptic mange can be done by identifying mites in deep skin scrapings under microscope. While the diagnosis of lice can be done by identifying lice on the body as well as the eggs on the hair shaft, and the clinical signs and symptoms such as itching and hair loss.
So, madam, since this parasite causes huge loss to the farmers, so could you tell our viewers what are the treatment involved and how to control these parasites?
For treatment and control of this parasite, use the therapeutic agents in the form of spray, pour on, then injection, as well as in-feed medication. Single dose of ivermectin and doramectin at the rate of 300 microgram per kg body weight subcutaneously is effective for this mange mite infestation. In severe infestation, you can go for second dose of treatment 10 to 14 days apart. Besides this, maintain clean and dry environment in the pig sty to reduce the parasite breeding ground. Then always provide this healthy and nutritious food to the animals. Disinfect pig sty and this equipments regularly. A newly purchased pig should be quarantined before entering into the existing herd.
With this, I hope our listeners have gained valuable informations on how to take care of their pigs and how to keep them protected from the external parasites. Madam, thank you for sharing your valuable insights for the benefit of our viewers, such as students, farmers, and other stakeholders. Till we meet again, take care of your pigs and keep them healthy.
Thank you.
Thank you.